Hello and welcome to the I-134 Affidavit of Support form. What is the purpose of the Affidavit of Support form? This form is to show the USCIS that visa applicants have sponsorship and will not become public charges while in the United States. In the fiancé visa petition, we will need an affidavit of support from the sponsor. In some cases, if the petitioner does not meet poverty guidelines, you are going to need an additional joint sponsor to fill out another affidavit of support form. These forms are relatively easy and shouldn't take you guys too long. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to go down to our internet browser and go to uscis.gov. Go to the forms link on the left hand side, and we're going to go to the search bar and type in I-134. Okay, right there, click go. We're going to click on this link and open up the PDF. You can see the instructions below that if you need to read on it. Feel free to. We're going to download this PDF to our desktop. And we're going to quickly get rid of this browser. Okay, now let's open the PDF. Now this here is for the petitioner. Okay, we're going to quickly full screen our PDF. Alright. We're going to start by John J. Doe, residing at, street number and name, so 5037 Arch Street. Okay, we're going to type in the city, Dearborn. Okay, followed by the state, Washington. And then we're going to put a zip code in, okay? The country, USA, or United States. Okay. Certify under penalty of perjury under U.S. law that I was born on 09/25/1987 in Dearborn, Washington, and then United States for the country. Okay. Now, if you are not a U.S. citizen based on your birth in the United States or non-citizen national based on your birth in America, SOMA, including San Juan Islands, answer the following as appropriate. We don't need to do that. Check it to see if you need to. We just put on line 2, 28 years of age and have resided in the United States since 09/25/1987. So just read through that and make sure that it's all correct for you, okay? Now we're going to go to line 3. This affidavit is executed on behalf of the following person. So Garcia Jane Galang is who we are petitioning for. Gender is female, age is 28, citizen and country of the Philippines, okay? And marital status, single. Relationship to sponsor, fiance, okay? Presently resides at street number and name, so Bagang, and then the city, Trinidad, state, you don't have one, country, Philippines, okay? And then she has no spouse currently, no children, so we're just going to put none, none, and none. Okay, and please read lines 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we're going to go down to line 7. I'm employed as or engaged in the business of. Food service worker is what we put down. Okay. With Dearborn Hospital. Okay. And then here, just type in your work address. Okay, and go to the city. We have Dearborn. And then the state and the zip. So WA for our state. And then our zip code, okay? So this is for annual income. You just need to read through this and put your amounts in the blanks. We have just the minimal because we're going to show you as well on how to fill out the joint sponsor form. If you didn't meet the requirements of poverty guidelines, you'd need someone to help you. So we're only putting 21,000, which is below poverty guidelines. Okay, line 8, we don't need to fill anything in for. Line 9, I have previously submitted affidavits of support for the following persons. If none, so state none. So we have none. And then line 10, I have submitted a visa petition on a U.S. citizenship and immigration services on behalf of the following persons. If none, so state none. So because this is our petition, we are going to put Jane Galang Garcia, and our relationship is fiance. And then don't forget to do the date. And also for line 8 above, just make sure you read it, make sure that you understand everything, and fill it in if it applies to you, okay? So for the date, submitted 04/20/2015 on line 10 and 11, read through this as well. One thing, because we are the petitioner, this doesn't apply to us, it's not applicable. So we are going to do N/A and then parenthesis around K-1 visa permanent residence. Okay? And this is just telling the USCIS what you are filing this for. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to go down to I acknowledge and have read, okay, sponsor and alien liability on page 2 of the instructions. So just continue to read that. Yes, I certify under penalty of perjury under the United States law that I know the contents of this affidavit signed by me and that the statement are true and correct. And then after that, you're going to sign it and date it, okay? 04/20/2015. So again, when you are filling this out, make sure to read absolutely everything. We went through this pretty fast, but again, it's pretty basic. So just remember to read it. Congratulations, you have just finished the I-134 Affidavit of Support.